Wi-Fi not working after new iOS update. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to fix Wi-Fi not working after new iOS update on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. To fix the Wi-Fi issue, first launch the settings application on your device, then go to Wi-Fi. In the Wi-Fi menu, tap on your Wi-Fi name. Here you have to tap on Forget this network at the top of the page, then tap Forget to confirm. Now wait for few seconds, then reconnect your Wi-Fi again. Method 2. Check your date and time. For that, first launch the settings application on your iPhone and iPad. On the settings menu, go down and tap on General. Go down again and tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure that your time zone is correct and set automatically is enabled. Method 3. Make sure that your iPhone is not connected to any VPN or proxy. For that, launch the settings application. Now go down and tap General. Go down again and tap on VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN. Here, make sure that VPN status is off in your settings. Method 4. Reset network settings. To reset network settings, launch the settings application. Now go down and tap General. Go down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings under the Reset. Enter your iPhone passcode here. Tap Reset Network Settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone network settings. This process will reset all network settings on your iPhone such as Wi-Fi, mobile data and VPN. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.